have a babysitting part-time job. O, diba? So, I'm on my way. I need to be there at 7. So, I need to hurry up. At the moment, it's very humid. It's already 6:30. Or no, magsa-7 na pala. So, it's almost 7. So, mainit pa rin. So, till later, I have to ride my bike. I like to ride my bike. Yeah. Yeah, you have to go all the way hanggang sa roundabout. Somebody asked me kung saan yung metro station. Yan. See? Di ba malilate ako dahil sa kanya? Malapit na ako, but then I'm almost late. Kailangan I need to be there at 7 and it's 6:58. I'm already sweating. And there's a mosque. And then I need to make a left turn dito. Wow. Ayan. May kapayas, oh. Malapit na. My nose is sweaty. Yan. I need to go here. I need to cross the road. Make turn. Yan. O, diba? I'm almost there. Wait. But the two kids are already sleeping, so I'm just waiting for the parents. And these are their two pet rabbits. What are you doing? Are you smoozing with each other? Hello. Hello. Hi. Cute. What is that? What is that? Hello. Cutest bunny. The fluffy little bunny. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Hello. Fluffy, where are you going? Huh? Are you angry? Hi. Hi. Hello. Hey, little Fluffy. The little bunny. Huh? They're so clean and cute. Hi, little bunny. You're so cute. What a cutie pie you are. Hi. They're big and fluffy. Hello. Hello. Are you smiling? Oh. Hi. And you? You too? It's time to go home. It's already 12:40 in the morning. So, uwi na ako. So, I'm going home na. So, wala nang tao sa daan kasi it's already 12:40. As you can see, but as we are in Dubai, we are safe. Yan. Madilim ang daan. So, yeah. So, nagbe-babysit ako kung minsan sa family na yan. They are British family and they are very, very nice. Kaya, every time the mom would ask me if I could watch their kids, their girls, I always say yes kasi mababait sila. Yeah. And then, I need a break joke. Yeah, so, I started to babysit at 7 hanggang 12:40. So, I don't know kung magkano yung binigay nila kasi nilagay ko lang sa bag. I will check later. So, it's nice na minsan-minsan lang naman. At saka, my husband doesn't mind. So, it's okay. Kung minsan maganda din yung may break ka. And then I have my own money. Joke. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. It's just nice. Yun. So there, that's a pub. So they are, I guess, or I think they are watching football. So kaya kahit gabi na, they are still there. So yan. Malunggay na walang dahon. So dito sa sa lugar na to, it's nice kasi kung may mga kaibigan ka, have a lot of friends here. So kung kailangan mo ng malunggay or talbos ng kamuti, so they have it here. So all you have to do is send them a message na kung pwede ka humingi, and then they will give you some. So yan. So we've been here in this place or in this area for I think magsi-7 years na. So the area is nice and clean. So I have to drive slowly kasi merong mga tao galing sila sa work. far yung bahay, especially if you're going to ride a bike. It's not that bad. See, almost home. Yan. So it's nice, right? At saka mailaw din. So there's nothing to be scared of or mag-worry ka na something will happen kasi it's safe and wala masyadong tao. Lalo na dito sa area na to. So it's like there's not that much people. And then in this time of the day or of the night, natutulog na yung mga tao. So yan. So dyan o. Yan na yung compound namin. So it's not that far, right? So gated community kami. So that's nice. Yan. May taxi pa. And then mag-ano na ako. I need to stop for now kasi nasa guardhouse na ako. Later. So, continue. Dito madilim. Yeah. I love to ride my bike. Kaya lang at this time na it's already humid. So, during the day or during sa umaga, parang tinatamad ako. But before, I used to ride my bike with my friend early in the morning. Ngayon wala na ako kasama. So, kasi umalis na siya dito sa area na to. So, going by myself is a little bit boring. Kaya, wala lang. Paminsan-minsan, I ride my bike if I want to buy something sa shop or sa store for grocery na hindi masyadong mabigat. I use my bike. So, andito na ako. So, thank you for watching and to the next time. Bye-bye!